Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to address a very popular question on the channel, which is how you can build good communication skills. And something that a lot of people don't understand is that communication does not mean speaking fluently in any particular language. In fact, let me tell you about a course we were taught at IIM Ahmedabad. It's called WAC. Written Analysis and Communication. Do you know why this is one of the most dreaded courses at IIM Ahmedabad in the first year? Because around 198 people score a C grade, around 200 people score a B grade, and no one in my batch scored an A grade. I had a lot of batchmates who were fluent in English, who had excellent vocab as well, and yet they could not score an A grade because that's not what communication stands for. So, what is good communication? When person 1 has an idea that he wants to communicate to person 2, and person 2 says that he got the idea, that's what communication is all about. But good communication comes into picture when the same idea gets transferred in a crisp, logical, and understandable manner. What that means is whatever idea you wish to communicate, it got communicated with as minimum words as possible in a logical structure that leaves no doubt to the other person and in the same context in which it was intended to be communicated. So, why do you need English? Because in an interview, you don't know whether the receiver, that is the interviewer of a B school or of a firm, speaks your native language or not. And in order for your idea to be communicated well to the other person, the receiver must understand your language, which is why English is generally acceptable as a business language. Now, let me share with you four ways in which I improved this ability to communicate well in English, and you can do that as well. These stem from the four things that you can do with any language. You can read it, you can listen to it, you can write in it, and you can speak it. The first two, which is reading and listening, are more of passive and they are more about learning the language, whereas the other two, that is writing and speaking, are more action oriented and you can test your ability using these two mediums. So let me start with reading. Within reading, you can refer to the online editorials, for example, the Hindu opinion articles or the Mint opinion articles. They are very high quality and they act as an excellent source of identifying logic. So, you remember I had told you that there are three qualities of good communication skills, one of which is logic and the structure. These opinion articles are written by editors who have excellent command over their logical structure, and this can act as a good source for both identifying it as well as for building your GK, which you might be requiring for the interviews as well. Within listening, I would recommend you to watch Hollywood movies on Netflix or any other OTT platforms. And the reason I said movies and not web series was because movies are more time bound. So the script writers do a better job at writing crisp dialogues, which you need to identify that how were they delivered in as minimum words as possible. So for that, I would also recommend you to switch on the subtitles so that you can read and listen at the same time. Both the methods, reading and listening, are passive in nature. Now you need to experiment on it, and the first method is to write. You can write on social media platforms. I would highly recommend writing on Quora, but you can also write a journal of your own. Write it in a Word document because you should attach an extension called Grammarly. Grammarly is a software that we all were recommended to use at IIM Ahmedabad that helps you to correct your mistakes, both grammatical as well as of logical structure, which will eventually move on to your speaking as well and bring about a change. Now, when it comes to speaking, one of the best techniques is to practice in front of the mirror. And when you do that, don't start blabbering whatever comes to your mind. One of the best ways is to pick a topic, preferably a GK topic, then think about it for a couple of minutes, structure your thoughts, and then start speaking. Once you are done with it, analyze which were the words that you could have avoided in order for your message to be more crisp, whether you followed a logical structure or not, and finally, think about the topic in your native language and then compare whether you were able to communicate the exact meaning in the English language or not. So these are the only four things I would recommend. Read, listen, write, and speak in English, keeping in mind the crispness, logical structure, and understandability of your message. With this, you will definitely develop better communication skills. I would like to close the video by asking for a feedback. This was a shorter video as compared to my other videos, so I would highly appreciate if you can tell me in the comments whether you prefer shorter videos or longer videos with the PPT format. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do let me know what other videos you would want me to create.